Future expats. My name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 15 years of experience. Dreaming of making Panama your new home? But before you prepare your bags and get ready to come to Panama, there are some things that you should be aware of. One of those things is the journey to the Panama immigration process. Let's explore some of the tricks and tips in order to get your residency in Panama smoothly. So tip number one is get to know your visa options. It is important before understand the type of visa options Panama has available for you. For example, we have the pensionado visa for those that have benefits of at least $1,000 for life as retirement or as a type of pension. We also have the Friendly Nations visa for a list of countries, and the options are depending on investment or as for work or as a type of a deposit on a bank account. We have also visas for work reasons. We have visas that are temporary as well and others that are permanent. So it is super important for you to check on those visas, do your research, or consult with an attorney that can help you better understand those options for you. And once you know the type of visa that is suitable for you, that is the time when you need to collect your documents. And the tip number two is to prepare your documents on time. And this is why, because the documents expire in 6 months. Most of the documents are valid for 6 months, so I would recommend you to schedule a trip to Panama to submit the application once your documents are ready, or you can plan in advance and understand when you will get the documents ready, such as your background check, your pension letter, marriage license, birth certificates, and documents that are necessary for your visa. Once you know when you will have them, you also need to make sure about the authentication. For example, in the United States, there is the apostille and also the authentication via Panamanian consulate. So some of the Panamanian consulates takes more time than the others, usually about a week, maybe 2, and some others takes more time depending on the country. In Canada, they have approved recently this year the apostille, so it's also important to understand how long a province will take in respect to another, or if the document is done in the city, it might take longer time. So try to ask where you are located, how much time you will need, and then schedule your flight. Another tip is to understand the cost of your visa process. The cost of a visa process will depend on the visa type. For example, the pensionado visa doesn't add checks that have to be paid to the immigration office, different from the Friendly Nations visa. So the Friendly Nations visa costs more money than the pensionado. So it is important for you to check how much is your visa type worth and try to budget. Ask your attorney if they accept a deposit and the difference and what are the terms and conditions of those payments. Also ask if the attorney has payment options available, such as credit card or deposit or via ACH, wire transfer, and things like that. An attorney is not only an advisor, it's someone that is going to be for you in Panama. Try to find an attorney that is reputable, that is someone that is for you and that is recommended by someone. Another option is to check on reviews and ask other people that has used that attorney. That way you won't find an attorney that is not available, or maybe the attorney will get lost in case the attorney doesn't have a website and things like that. So I recommend you to find an attorney that is visible. Another tip that is important for your visa process is patience. Patience since the moment you start collecting your documents, because maybe there's a problem in your system when you request your background check, or maybe there was a problem collecting a document, or the consulate is not picking up the phone, and things like that. So this is important, that when you plan your trip to Panama, allow yourself to stay here about a week. We recommend our clients to be here about a week because that gives us time to solve a problem in case we have a delay with some authority in order to complete the process. So this is it. The most important thing is find an attorney that can help you, give you the advice in order to collect the documents, someone that can help you also review the documents and give you the go so you can plan your trip to Panama and things will go according to plan. The good thing about Panama is that you can come to Panama to do the process, but you can also leave if you need to. You don't have to stay in Panama. You can stay if you want, wait until you get your visa, but also you can leave and come back. If you want to learn more about the visa options we have in Panama, you're free to go to our list of videos in our playlist in YouTube. And if you have questions, you can always contact us. We offer Zoom consultations, and we invite you to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media, and if you're interested about our service, you can always click in the link below for a Zoom consultation. Thanks.